As you all know, if something awesome is free, why would you leave it, right? So in today's video, I am going to show you a Chinese website. Yes, I repeat, a Chinese website where you can literally use 30 million free token every single day for any free account. Yes, you heard that right. And before we start the video, I want to ask you something. I usually don't edit my video like this. So let me know in the comment if you like this video editing style or not. The reason I tried this new style is because a lot of creators are uploading many videos around this AI universe, and I respect that. And since there's so much competition, my videos are not reaching as many people as I would like. Also, I don't have the budget yet to hire a professional editor, so I am doing everything myself, and that's why your feedback really means a lot and helps me to improve. Now, after wasting your 30 seconds, let's start the video. So please make sure to subscribe the channel and like this video and leave a comment if you have faced any question or faced any problem. Let's hit at least 100 subs together. So first, come to this MonkeyCode website. The link is given in my Telegram channel, or you can directly search it in Google. So from now, watch the video very carefully. Now let me show you what MonkeyCode provides. Basically, it's an online AI development platform, and here are the features that you can use, like free to use, cloud development, mobile use, and fully open source. And I know it's not important for you, so let's come to the main process. Click on get start button and come to the sign up page. Here, as you can see, you can sign up with your Google account or GitHub account. Mainly GitHub account is best choice because you can directly host from this GitHub all your project in MonkeyCode. But now I continue with Google, and after sign up you can see this type interface. Then click on this offer box, and as you can see, you successfully get the credit. And also in this video I am going to show you a full Marvel website that I created from these 30 million free tokens. Yes, as you can see, you will get 30 million free tokens per day, and it is a massive number of tokens, so you can say it unlimited, right? And here you can upload your zip file or many other projects so that you can continue your previous project. Now come to the second skill option. Here you can see a lot of features that MonkeyCode can do. If you interested, you can check it out. Now here you can create your new project, and also you can customize your project name, and all project data will be saved in history, so you don't need to think about it. Now another most important thing, if you open this setting option, here you can see the most important option so that you can bind your MonkeyCode account with your GitHub or GitLab account, and it's help a lot to save your any project in GitHub directory. So if you creating any website, you can do it. Now if you come to this MCP and tool option, here as you can see, literally you can connect your free account with those website or apps that offers MCP servers. Also you can connect your free or paid API keys. Okay, now I just avoiding these options. You can check it out yourself better than me. So just come back to the main page. Okay, now let me show you which model you can use here in MonkeyCode for a free account. When you enter any prompt, let's say hi, and you can see the model that are using right now. For free account, MonkeyCode provide Qwen 3.5 plus model. Here you can see all the benchmarks of this AI model, and in Pro mode you can access DeepSeek or GLM 5.2 model. And if you upgrade your account in Ultra Pro mode, you can access GPT 5.4 and GPT 5.5, both two models. So now as you can see, this model is working perfectly. Also you can use it in terminal, and if you think this Qwen model is not efficient, then just wait and watch what it created from a single prompt. Okay, now let me ask some personal question. And obviously still it is an AI agent, so it has no emotion. So now before I start the main thing, let me show you something. By clicking on this monkey logo, you can check out how it differs from other AI models, as you can see in this box. But after scrolling down, here you can see the most important line of this AI tool. This is what MonkeyCode provide you in basic $0 plan. As you can see, daily quota 30 million token per day. Now let me open my browser and I search for Marvel website, and as you can see, it is the Marvel main official website, and I am going to recreate it by using MonkeyCode by saying it educational purpose. And really I am doing it for only educational purpose, so don't try it professionally yourself because it is illegal. Now I just enter the prompt with the website link. Here in this prompt I told Qwen 3.5 to recreate the website and add some more changes. So simply I just stop my previous work. So if you like it, please like the video and hit the subscribe button, and select the model Qwen 3.5 as it is, and it will take some time as your project. Okay, it's created the full website after about 5 minutes. Also it gives the website link, so I just simply copy the website link and paste in my browser. Okay, it's loading, and just look at this. It's recreated the full Marvel website without showing any violating guidelines or rules. It's automatically add poster, caption, date, timing with perfect and accurate position. As you can see, 31st July Spider-Man brand new day going to release, and today when I recording this video, it's July 30. So basically when you watching this video, I hope it already released. So enjoy, and please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Yo, fast lane, brains game, breaking the chain. Christian on the feet with the fire in the vein. Tips on the time and the rhyming is climbing. Data is diamond, we constantly constantly mining. Goose on the skin when the lesson begin. Win after win, let the digital spin. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Subscribe to the hustle, the tips for the soul. Krishna